In this video, we will be teaching how to grow beautiful wild golden oyster mushrooms, along with fresh Atlantic salmon prepared with Salmoriglio sauce. This is a natural and tasty dinner, a great meal for any occasion. For this video, we will be using freshly foraged wild oyster mushrooms. These mushrooms have a unique golden color and delicious flavor. It is important to collect your mushrooms while they are fresh. These mushrooms have a sweet and mild flavor with hints of almond. Citrus and acid help enrich the flavor of these beautiful mushrooms. Do not eat any wild mushrooms unless they are identified by a mushroom expert. Eating wild mushrooms can be dangerous. We will start by preparing our flavorful Salmoriglio sauce. We will prepare fresh lemons to use for juice. We will finely chop fresh parsley. Additional herbs can be added based on preference. We will mix in a small bowl our ingredients, which are simply olive oil, water, rice vinegar, garlic, fresh lemon juice, and seasonings. Make sure to mix well. We will start by cleaning the mushrooms with a soft paper towel to wipe off debris. Avoid overwashing mushrooms because this way removes some of their flavor and may cause them to become soggy. We will now prepare the mushrooms by cutting the stalks and trimming them. We will place the mushrooms on a grilling tray. We will now lightly salt and pepper our salmon fillets and also our mushrooms. We will generously coat the salmon fillets and the mushrooms with our Salmoriglio sauce. Make sure to save half the sauce for after cooking. We will now cook our salmon and our mushrooms on the grill. We recommend cooking the mushrooms over medium heat. The mushrooms will take about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. The salmon may take 6 through 8 minutes on each side or until fully cooked. Make sure to enjoy your grilling experience by taking in all the sounds and aromas. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe. It helps a small channel like ours tremendously.